How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change your Razer Huntsman mini actuation point. So in order to do this, we have to get the official software from Razer, which is going to be Razer Synapse. With this one, we can modify settings to our Razer products. So you just want to choose your operating system, install the software, and now we are ready to head over to the Razer Synapse application. Simply open up the application and your device will automatically be connected or detected, as you can see with this one. And if you want to change the actuation point, there's actually the customization option where you can customize your keybinds. The second one is actuation and the last one is lighting. So you can set the profile settings by navigating through profiles. And then at the bottom of our screen right here, we can simply see the actuation point. So in my case, I want to set mine into something like 1.5, but of course it's going to depend on your playthrough or playstyle right here. So that's how you simply adjust your actuation point. If you want to reset this, just click on this undo button. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.